khi tân thủ đặt giá sàn
You got your time, you got your time, you got your
khi tân thủ đặt giá sàn
know what to make. You got your time, you got your time. Hello and welcome to this week's Radio Kai. We hope you enjoyed last week's edition. This week's show, the West Show, we are playing all your West.
Also, we are packed up with our usual features, such as a mystery voice, where we play out 5 different voices and you have to guess which voices they are, and celebrity birthdays, transport with Ethan, and he'll get from A to B, and news and sports with Max, Ethan and Peter, and our weekly interview. This week's special guest is Ian Hedges from Keynesian.
Let's start off with Proud by Heather Small, as requested by Miss Hughes.
I look into the window of my mind, reflections of the fears I know I've left behind. I step out of the ordinary, I can feel my soul ascending. I'm on my way, can't stop me now, and you can do the same, yeah. What have you done today to make you feel proud? It's never too late to try. What have you done today to make you feel proud? You could be so many people if you make that grab for freedom. What have you done today to make you feel proud? Still so many answers I don't know. There are so many answers. Realize that true question is how we grow. To question is to grow. So I step out of the ordinary, I can feel my soul ascending. I'm on my way, can't stop me now. You can do the same, yeah. What have you done today to make you feel proud? It's never too late to try. What have you done today to make you feel proud? You could be so many people if you make that grab for freedom. What have you done today to make you feel proud? Yeah, we need a change. Yeah, do it today. Yeah, I can feel my spirit rising. Change. Yeah, we need a change. Yeah, so do it today. Yeah, 'cause I can see you there rising. What have you done today to make you feel proud? Yeah, let me hear you, let me hear you, let me hear you. So what have you done today to make you feel proud? Yeah, yeah, yeah. 'Cause you could be so many people if you make that grab for freedom. So what have you done today to make you feel proud? What have you done today? Yeah, let me hear ya. What have you done today? What have you done today? What have you done today to make you feel
with Proud now on here on Radio Kai. It's Mystery Voice.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery Boy. Mystery Boy.
Here's voice number 1 for this week.
Feeling? Well, it's an unbelievable feeling. I was here in England for 6 years, and I respect English people a lot because they are very polite and they respect. No, but it's true. The timing that I spent here, the people treat me unbelievable. I'm never gonna forget that.
Here's the second mystery voice of the week.
It really, visually, it really blows your mind. You know, it goes like, look how far this has come. Look how far animation has come.
Voice number 3 for this week.
I mean, we've just come back from Scotland filming Buffalo, and horse tastes very similar to buffalo, but it's not as mature as buffalo. So it's almost like a sort of mature beef, but it is, you know, stunning. It tastes delicious, but it's, you know, it's different, darker.
Here's our fourth voice for this week.
I agree with you. And it's not like I'm desperate to do romantic comedies. I just can only offer anything within a certain kind of tone that isn't drama and it isn't sort of what some people call balls-out comedy. It's sort of just...
And here's our 5th and final voice for this week.
You know, he's got certain problems because he's disabled.
What are the problems?
Well, he's got cerebral palsy, and obviously he can't play football like I can play, he can't ride a bike like I can, he can't drive a go-kart like I can, and mainly sports. On the other side, he's very smart, so he beats me in that area.
Okay, so we hope you got the voices correctly. The next song is The River by Bruce Springsteen.
I come from down in the valley where, mister, when you're young, they bring you up to do like your daddy done. Me and Mary, we met in high school when she was just 17. We drive out of this valley down to where fields were green. We go down to the river, and into the river we dive. Oh, down to the river we ride. Then I got married, pregnant, and man, that was all she wrote. And for my 19th birthday, I got a union card and a wedding coat. We went down to the courthouse, and the judge put it all to rest. No wedding day smiles, no walk down the aisle, no flowers, no wedding dress. That night we went down to the river, then into the river we dive. Oh, down to the river we did ride. Yeah. I got a job working construction for the Johnstown Company, but lately there ain't been much work on account of the economy. Now all them things that seem so important, well, mister, they vanished right into the just act like I don't remember. Mary acts like she don't care. But I remember us riding in my brother's car, her body tan and wet down at the reservoir. At night on them banks I'd lie awake and pull her close just to feel each breath she'd take. Those memories come back to haunt me. They haunt me like a curse. Is a dream alive that don't come true? Or is it something worse that sends me down to the river? Oh, I know the river is dry. That sends me down to the river tonight. Down to the river, my baby and I. Oh, down to the river we ride.
That was The River by Bruce Springsteen. Now we got the birthday.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday.
Rita Ora is 34 and she is a pop singer. She is songwriter and an actress who gained fame after her debut first on the Billboard charts. Rita Ora's famous song is Anywhere. Amy Grant is 64 years old and she is a pop singer. Her famous song is Remember You, 1991. She is a pop singer. She is a singer and a songwriter known for Christine Conembati, such as Angels and I Savai, as well as for her crossover hit Baby Baby. Vilna is a TV show and he is 68 years old, and he's a famous TV show host and a comedian. Dedicated his show Vilna the Science from 1993 in 1998. Eno Emery is a soccer player and he is 53 years old, and he's retired French midfielder who rose to prominence for his club, and he used to play in Aston Villa Football Club. That's all I got for the birthdays this week. I hope you all have a nice birthday. Now we got Somewhere Only We Know by Keane.
Felt the earth beneath my feet, sat by the river and it made me complete. Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. I came across a fallen tree. I felt the branches of it looking at me. Is this the place we used to love? Is this the place that I've been dreaming of? Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. And if you have a minute, why don't we go talk about it somewhere only we know? This could be the end of everything. So why don't we go somewhere only we know? Somewhere only we know. A simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. And if you have a minute, why don't we go talk about it somewhere only we know? This could be the end of everything. So why don't we go? So why don't we go? This could be the end of everything. So why don't we go somewhere only we know? Somewhere only we know. Somewhere only we know.
Okay, so we just had King Now with Somewhere Only We Know here on Radio Kai. Coming up next, here's Ethan with the transport feature.
Here is our travelling feature with Ethan. That was Golden Spandau with Blacker. Now we got the travel feature. This one is not sponsored by Amtrak, but it does feature some of their services. So we're going from Chicago in the US state of Illinois to Emeryville near San Francisco in California. Starting in Chicago, take the California Zephyr to Emeryville across the entire USA. And fingers crossed and hope the locomotive is not the EMD SDP-40F, because these guys can derail due to the weights. And if you survive that, you're in luck. If it's not an SDP-40F pulling the train, you're in luck, because it could have been a Genesis unit, either a P4DC, P42DC, or whatever. Or you could have picked the ALC-42, built recently by Siemens. Once at Emeryville, you're good to go. The whole trip would take 52 hours and 10 minutes, roughly 3 nights or maybe 3 days, and the whole trip will cost you £500.
Thank you, Ethan. Now, the next song is Fireworks by Katy Perry.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you, you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine just on the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you work. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go You're gonna leave 'em all in You don't have to feel like a wasted space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds. After a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you could open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and when it's time, you know you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine just on the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you work. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go You're gonna leave 'em all in Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. It's always been inside of you, you, you. And now it's time to let it through. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you work. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go You're gonna leave 'em all in Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon.
Okay, so we just had Firework there by Katy Perry. Now we are moving on to our Guess the Year feature now. We say random facts about the year, and you have to guess which year it is.
Guess the year.
Developer Woody.
Was the year that Coldplay released their debut album Parachute was released on the 10th of July this year.
It was also the year that David Bowie, the singer, the British singer, he has his final Glastonbury concert in this year. He only played at Glastonbury on 2 occasions. However, you'll be less surprised to learn that this headline set skin this year is regarded as one of the all-time greatest moments in the festival's history.
It was also the year that shopping channel Ideal World first broadcast on the 17th of April on digital satellite from studios in Peterborough.
And the biggest hit of this year was Breathe by Faith Hill.
Okay, so we hope you got the year correctly. The next song is Gold by Bandit Dali.
Thank you for coming home. Sorry that the chairs are all warm. I left them here, I could have sworn. These are my salad days, slowly being eaten away. Just another play for today. Oh, but I'm proud of you, but I'm proud of you. Nothing left to make me feel small. Luck has left me standing so tall. Gold, always believe in your soul. You've got the power to know you're indestructible. Always believe it, 'cause you are gold. Like that you're bound to return. There's something I could have learned. You're indestructible. Always believe it. After the rush has gone, I hope you find a little more time. Remember we were partners in crime. It's only 2 years ago, the man with the suit and the face, who knew that he was there on the case. Now he's in love with you, he's in love with you. My love is like a hard prison wall, and you could leave me standing so tall. Gold, always believe in your soul. You've got the power to know you're indestructible. Always believe it, 'cause you are gold. I'm glad that you're bound to return. Something I could have learned. You're indestructible. Always believe it. Love is like a hard prison wall, and you can leave me standing so tall. Gold, always believe in your soul. You got the power to know you're indestructible. Always believe it, 'cause you are gold. Like that you're bound to return. There's something I could have learned. You're indestructible. Always believe it. You are gold. Always believe in your soul. You got the power to know you're indestructible. Always believe it, 'cause you are gold. I'm glad that you're bound to return. Something I could have learned. You're indestructible. Always believe it.
That was Gold by Spandau Dali. Here's Ethan with the news around the school.
News from around the school.
Hey everyone, Ethan here with news from around the school. First up, Miss Hughes went to Royal Albert Hall in London. And then after that, her kid got COVID, so she was a little late on Wednesday. Rosie and Canada won the Uno Championships on Monday. The Canada Uno Championships. I don't know when that's held, but I presume it's a good thing. Canada and Pip enjoyed athletics in Bangor on Friday. Very good for them. Ada went to Liverpool on Sunday and went swimming in the Novo Hotel. That's kinda cool. Wait, Liverpool? Hope he hasn't been to see the Beatles. And finally, Kane's in already active spirit, but Kelly isn't, as she is ill. Well, so we're gonna play a Stereophonics song for her. The next song is 1,000 Trees by Stereophonics.
Standing at the bus stop with my shopping in my hands when I'm overhearing elder ladies as the rumors start to fly. Hear them in the schoolyard, in the scrapyard, in the chip shop, in the phone box, in the pool hall, at the shoe stall. Every corner turned around. Starting with a schoolgirl who was running home to her mom and dad. Told them she was playing in the change room of the local football side. I said, tell us again. She told him again, tell us the truth. He found it hard to believe, cause he thought I was Steve. Even trained me, thought Uncle John was a father of three. Only takes one tree to make 1,000 matches. Only takes one match to burn 1,000 trees. 1,000 trees. See it in the classroom, on the swimming pool, with a matchstick man and maid. At the scouts hall, at the football, where the wives we trust to pay. They all honor his name, did a lot for the game. Got his name locked up above the sports ground gates. Now they're ripping them down, stamping the ground. Picture colors dust in the bar, and the lunch takes one tree to make 1,000 matches. Only takes one match to burn 1,000 trees. 1,000 trees. Wake up, smell the rain. Shake up, he's back to stay. Hasn't been on a holiday. Growing seeds, don't believe what he's been in the schoolyard, change room, playing fields, bathroom, phone box, office blocks, corners turned around. He kicked out in the flame, tossing the blame. Got his name knocked up above the sports ground gates. Now they're ripping them down, stamping the ground. Picture gathers dust in the barn. No longer takes one tree to make 1,000 matches. Only takes one match to burn 1,000 trees. 1,000 trees. 1,000 trees. 1,000 trees.
Okay, so we just had 1,000 Trees there by Stereophonics here on Radio Caib. Now we are moving on to the Guess the Year answer. This year, if you hope you got it correctly, the year was 2000. And this week's voices were Cristiano Ronaldo. He is a football player and he plays for Real Madrid. And he used to play for Man United. We got Eddie Murphy. And we also got Gordon Ramsay, who is a chef, and he does shows such as Kitchen Nightmares and Hell's Kitchen. So coming up next now is Burning in Love by Elvis Presley.
Lord Almighty, I feel my temperature rising. Higher, higher, it's burning through to my soul. Girl, 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 you gonna set me on fire. My brain is flaming, I don't know
Presley. Now we got Ethan with News Around the World and Max and Peter with Sports Updates.
News around the world.
Hey everyone, Ethan here with news from around the world. First up, the sinkholes in communist China are tourist attractions, but the forests inside are at serious risk. The coal tip slide in Cold Hillary, due to snow, Bert is cleaned up. And US universities are warned foreign students on Trump's immigration crackdowns. Oh dear, another one of those Trump news to make me question myself on Trump's second term.
Thank you, Ethan, for news this week. Now we got Max and Peter talking about the sports updates.
Hello, my name's Max.
Hi, I'm here. Peter Kohlberg is the stock news history. Matt's favorite football, that's Lula.
Philippines Bayern Munich 1-0 in the Champions League.
Then the result is the fourth Inglaterra to win the Hilger Cup in the 1981-1982. The fell got the Hilger Super Cup in the 1982. That's a clear. I will believe of the heavenly in the 1992 they won for just the 3 o'clock the football league and the cup league.
For the sport news, and next sport news it will be Formula 1. Max?
It's sick, going to be Peter.
Thank you, Max and Peter, for the sports updates here on Radio Kai. Coming up next is Psychedelic Furs with Pretty in Pink. And this one's requested by Kate's Pedro. We hope you enjoy this one.
In the place in the side of our lives where nothing is ever put straight. She
That one. Tea in Pink. Psychobilly Fair. Now we got the interview with Ian.
Getting to know you, getting to know all about you.
Hello Ian, how are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How are you?
Good, thanks.
Good fun.
Good, fine.
Good dog.
Our first question here for you today is, who is your favourite singer or band?
So at the moment, I'm really enjoying Mac Miller. He's an American rapper, song artist.
The second question of this week is, what is your favourite song from Mac Miller's?
I would have to go with, at the moment, I'm enjoying Knock Knock.
We haven't heard that song before, no?
No.
What did you enjoy about Camp America?
So there's a couple of things I enjoy about Camp America. One, the weather. It's always warm. It's great. No one can complain about that. And two, I think the high ropes department. Being able to go on the high ropes every day, go down the zip line. Yeah, it's good fun. It's good fun.
If you won the lottery, what would you buy?
So I think I'd like to buy a house in the Bahamas on the beach so I can go and chill out anytime I want.
What type of house would you like to buy in the Bahamas?
So I think I'd like one with access to the beach. I probably want my own pool. I'd like to have a games room, a couple of places to park cars. Yeah, it'd be nice, it'd be nice.
You're either bitten by a shark or bitten by a crocodile.
Well, that's a tricky one. I don't think I'd rather get bitten by any of them, but if I did have to pick, I would probably go with a shark. I'm not sure why, but I feel like that would be over and done with much quicker.
Where do you like to go travel?
So I think I'd like to travel to Japan. They have a really good culture there. It's a very clean place, and I think the people are very warm and welcoming.
What would you do in Japan?
I'd like to go sightseeing. They've got a lot of historic buildings. They've got a lot of mountains. I like going outdoors. So I think I'd just do a lot of travelling and go from place to place.
Everybody likes Japan because of Mount Fuji, anime, the Shinkansen. They just really love trains.
What job did you do before Kaib?
So before I came to Kaib, I've been doing support work, but my main job before I came here was a call handler for the Welsh Ambulance Service for 111.
How many months have you worked with 111?
So I came back from summer camp last year and I started the training process, which took me 6 weeks in St Asaph. Then I was working there until the following summer, maybe. So 3, 4, maybe 5 months, something like that.
What did you do in 111, Ian?
So 111 is an out-of-hours call service. You're able to call them anytime, 24 hours a day, but it primarily works on out-of-hours appointments. You know, so if you're feeling unwell and your doctors are closed, you give us a ring at 111, and we will give you the best advice that we can possibly give at that time. The outcomes per call vary, so it could be you'll wait for a call back from the GP out of hours, or they may ask you to head into A&E and present there and explain your symptoms in A&E, or you may, you know, worst case scenario, you may even have an ambulance come out to you.
It's an interesting job, isn't it? Awesome.
Yeah, it is,
isn't it, Don?
Yeah.
Ethan?
Yep.
Our 8th question we've got here for you is, what is the weirdest meal you've eaten?
So, a lot of people find this meal that I have weird, but I personally don't think it's weird. So I enjoy, every now and then, rice and beans. And
that is very weird, isn't it?
No, that
isn't it?
I would... No, it's actually...
Baked beans with rice.
Yeah, baked beans with rice. Yeah, but a lot of people I've spoken to... Nice and easy.
It is really nice. It is really nice.
I'm sure he said there was crisps.
I tried it before.
Crisps in it.
Did you try it before? Tom?
Yeah, it's nice. We're missing out, Dion and Dylan and Ethan.
I like rice, but with only cheese on it.
That is not so weird.
But do you know what? You can add rice, beans and cheese and that creates a whole new dish itself. It's great.
It is.
Where was your destination when you was a child?
So when I was a kid, I enjoyed just being outdoors. I'd come home from school, I'd get changed, I'd make a quick snack, and then I'd head straight to the park where we would play football. We'd be climbing trees, we'd play like tag, just run around, just being outside and enjoying the fresh air and stuff like that. It's computers, iPads, TVs. It wasn't a big thing when I was a child, so we had to go out and enjoy the nature.
No, there is no TVs, iPads and phones when you were a child now.
And even when all the staff were kids, there was nothing like that, no?
No.
Which song would you like to end off Radio Kai with this week?
I think I'd like to pick George Ezra, Shotgun.
Okay, so thank you, Ian, for interviewing us this week.
No problem, thanks for having me, it's been a pleasure.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Okay, so we are going to end off this week's Radio Cab with Shotgun by George Ezra. We'll see you next week for another edition of Radio Cab. Take care for now.
Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. The sun ain't changing the atmosphere, architecture unfamiliar. I could get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. We're south of the equator, navigator. Gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. Deep sea diving round the clock, bikini bottoms, lager tops. I could get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. We got two in the front, two in the back, sailing along and we don't look back. By in the yellow and green, stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone, a someone, a someone, a someone.
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio Cab, and we will see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye.
تحية Radio Cab.
Radio Cab.
تحية Radio Cab.
You're listening to Radio Kai.